Ukraine was high on the agenda as NATO defense ministers met in Brussels today to discuss defense investments and present a consolidated front for the alliance. For Kyiv, a highlight of the day was the announcement that NATO allies are planning to jointly supply Ukraine with 1 million drones this year. A group of allies is coming together with the goal of delivering 1 million drones to Ukraine, said Jens Stoltenberg, the alliance's Secretary General. More details of the drone plans were provided by Latvia and the United Kingdom, the two countries that are heading up the coalition. It is by now no secret that drones are playing a vitally important role in the war, for both sides and across all domains. As well as repeatedly emphasizing the importance of drones to its operations, Ukrainian officials have also warned that Russia possesses far greater numbers of these systems than it does, with a notable disparity when it comes to the widely used first-person view, FPV, types. To address that imbalance, Ukraine had already said that it aimed to produce 1 million drones domestically in 2024. For now, there remain questions as to whether Ukraine, let alone a NATO coalition, can produce so many drones in such a relatively short time frame. What is clear, however, is that the importance of drones of all kinds on the battlefields of Ukraine is showing no sign of diminishing.